Welcome to AweSam videos. My name is Saravanan Nagaraj. Today I'm in beautiful Miami. Now I am in Science Museum of Miami. So usually Americans give a lot of importance to museum. I'm from India, so we do not have much of museums. Even the museums that we have is not really maintained well. So, after coming to America, I saw how important museum could be, right from kids to adults. So you could actually learn a lot of things from museum, right? That's what we're going to see today. So as I stated earlier, we are in the Science Museum. So as soon as we came in, we did not even go in, so it's in the entrance. It's called Whisper Dishes. What it does is, if I speak here, hello, hello, hello. So it actually, somebody who's in the other end could actually hear that. As a voice travels as a wave, it actually reaches that. So it actually takes it in and sends it, reflects it that side. So that's exactly what is happening right now. Lisa is recording the video, so she was standing right there and she was able to hear whatever I said. It was very, I spoke very feeble, so she could still hear that. Science is learned well when you actually experiment these things. So when the kids, when they come and when they play with these things, they get to actually learn things, much faster, and their understanding level is going to be much better. I got the tickets. It's about $29 per person. So yeah, let's get in. So these are like nature superheroes where we are right now. So these are the living things. It's been surviving for millions and millions of years. That's what we're going to actually see here in this place. This is the microbe, very smallest living thing, I guess. You might have not actually seen this, but it is there in your face, in your hand, everywhere. This is one of the smallest living thing. It lives in our, in our body. How it looks inside the cave, they've actually recreated that here. And what are the small things that live in the cave? Cave fishes. So this is the actual size of those fishes. That's cool. They look completely different. The fins are, like they have unusually Morse fins. Right now I'm in Planetarium. It's going to be a beautiful view. You're going to come and see that. So right now, we are going to actually see a show, which is called The World Beyond Earth. So this is more like a 360 theater. So it's kind of, it's going to give us an experience of we're traveling through the space. I've experienced it in Chicago. It was wonderful. So I'm looking forward to see how it is. I just came out of the Planetarium show. It was wonderful. The show that they had actually shown us, it's given a new perspective. I think we might have actually seen a lot of documentaries, space-related videos, but seeing this here made a great deal of difference. You got to personally come and experience this. It was wonderful. We're in the elevator. We're going to the 4th floor. From 4th floor, we're gonna come down to the 1st floor. So way down. This is the aquarium. So we're gonna go down and see all the fishes, but you get a different view from the top. So that's where we started, from the 4th floor. So there's one fish which came out, and we reported to them. So hopefully we'll actually put that back. This is kind of a dying reef that they actually brought it and saved it right here. Here in the 4th floor, you get to have you get to see a wonderful view here. So we can actually touch the ray fish, stingray, only on the wing. So let's see. So they've created this. It's beautiful actually, as if you're underwater. Dotted jellyfish, what they have here, and different kinds of jellyfishes are here. I guess this is a regular jellyfish that we will see often. It is so pretty. I never seen it like this. I've been to many aquariums, but this, the way that they set it up, it is amazing. We are walking towards the Science Museum. So what we saw top, it was, this is the second floor. Second and first floor is more science. So it's artificial human hand, how they design it and how it looks before they fix the skin. It's 1885 microscope, how it was, and you know, the functionalities and things like that. It is really cool. They've done it in a wonderful way. Right inside there is actual microscope, and top of that microscope they actually talk about how it functions and you know, all that. So it's really beautiful, and it is a display and also the showcase of the actual microscope. I've never seen it this way ever anywhere. It is cool. It is more like a transparent and also informative. So here they talk about all the scientists, you know, the famous scientists, Einstein and Marie Curie, Katherine Johnson, and everyone. Here's what it is, so you can actually pause and read this. I'm enjoying the cool effect. Here they talk about all the research that they're doing, the Miami University. So they are actually displaying the, you know, different research that they are conducting. So this is the actual model of this place. When you usually come to a museum, you shouldn't come as a tourist, I would say. I would always recommend people to come, you know, take one part of it and then go over each and everything. So you need to spend enough time to go over each and everything. Usually what I do is, there are things that I find it interesting. I take a photo and I refer to it later. So that's So here they have an interactive periodic table. Touch and get to know more about it. So let's cross Earth crust. So what are the, so Earth crust is made up of all these elements. So they are actually, so let's click cross ocean. So oxygen, hydrogen, and Na. So this is just, you know, you get to see what percentage of human DNA that other animals have. For example, if you see fish has 70% DNA, and a fruit fly has 75% of DNA, and a frog has 79%, and mouse have 88%. So that's why I guess they actually do all the testing with the mouse. A lot of different things that you definitely need to spend a lot of time, you know, in going over each and everything. So if you have a kid, you bring them and having them to touch and feel, it'll be a fun way of learning. This is an underwater drone. You would have actually heard drone, but this is an underwater drone. So you can actually hold on to it and go ahead and take a video of, you know, things. So it is, it's a wonderful invention. It was definitely worth worth the visit. So you get to see new things, and the planetarium was good, and the aquarium was wonderful. Science museum was great. So overall, it is definitely a must-see place. This is the second day. We're posting many videos about Miami. Not only that, but also we're visiting other places in the US and creating videos. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.